Alright, we're going to take a look at an example from chapter 3.6, and it's going to deal with determine if you have a right triangle or not. And we're going to use the slopes to figure that out, and then we're going to figure out which angle is the right angle. Definitions first, as always. What is a right triangle? Well, y'all have learned this from early school, and it's just a triangle with a right angle. But more importantly, in geometry, we're looking at the perpendicular relationship here. Definition of perpendicular, there's a couple, but the one we're going to look at is opposite recips on the slopes. So we're going to methodically look at each slope, and I have the first one. I'm just going to do the slope of AB, do a t-chart. Y'all can use the formula. There's my xy, and I have coordinate A in here, -5, 3, a little bit of bleeding. I probably am going to have to buy a new kind of pad. And 3, 2. So from 3 to -2 is a -5. That's my difference of my y's. And from -5 to 0, that's a +5. So -5 over 5, difference of y's over the difference over the x's, gives me a -1. So my slope is a -1. All right. Next in line, looks like I'm going to do, well, let's just do BC. Measure BC. Do a t-chart. And I got 0, -2. And 5, 3. So -2 to 3 is a +5, and 0 to 5 is a +5. My slope is going to be 5 over 5, which is also 1. Well, gosh, we got it right here. Here's our perpendicular slopes. Opposite reciprocals, -1 and 1 are perpendicular. So AB is perpendicular to BC. So if I were to draw a line here, they share B, so B has to be the vertex. And this could be A and this could be C. So I know that this slope right here has to be something different. It's going to connect the two. And I've already answered the question. My angle, that's the right angle, has to be angle B. And this is my hypotenuse over here if I wanted to talk about that. Out of curiosity, I can find AC, but I'm going to find that it is going to be some other slope. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. You just find your slopes, you look for a perpendicular, and once you find perpendicular, you're good. If you don't find perpendicular, it's not a right triangle. To satisfy your curiosity, let's go ahead and do AC real quick. XY, and we have -5, 3 and 5, 3. Well, that difference is 0, and that's going to be 10. 0 over 10, so M is equal to 0. So that's a horizontal line. So this doesn't represent the picture at all, but we didn't need a picture. Alrighty, that's the final thing for that. And one thing that I was looking at last night, and again, that flower mound, what Flower Mound did for Capel was just simply amazing. But go to, let's see, I can't, let's see, let's put this on pause. Well, I'm not sure how to resize my frame while I'm recording, but check out this. Like I said, I don't know how to resize it, but there's some awesome videos out there, and everybody at Capel should check these out. Alrighty, till next time.